Uranus, the seventh planet from the Sun, harbors a fascinating secret that sets it apart from its planetary siblings, its peculiar sideways rotation. Unlike most planets, which spin like tops with their poles roughly perpendicular to their orbits, Uranus rolls along its orbital path as if it were somersaulting through space. This distinctive feature means that its poles lie nearly in the plane of its orbit, while its equator points almost directly at the Sun. This bizarre tilt gives Uranus a truly unique appearance. Imagine a planet with its poles situated where other planets' equators are, causing its characteristic rings and moons to orbit around its middle rather than its poles. This tilt is so extreme that Uranus essentially appears to be rotating on its side compared to the rest of the planets in our solar system. Scientists have long been intrigued by this sideways rotation, speculating that a colossal collision with another celestial body might be the cause. This impact theory suggests that early in Uranus' history, a massive object, perhaps as large as Earth, slammed into the planet, knocking it off its original axis and setting it into its current sideways spin. This extraordinary orientation also affects Uranus' climate and magnetic field. Its extreme tilt results in dramatic seasonal variations, with each pole experiencing around 42 years of continuous sunlight followed by 42 years of darkness as the planet orbits the Sun. The sideways rotation also gives rise to complex and unique magnetic phenomena, making Uranus a captivating subject of study for astronomers and planetary scientists. In the grand tapestry of our solar system, Uranus stands out as a captivating enigma, reminding us of the diverse and mysterious nature of the celestial bodies that populate our cosmic neighborhood.